Again, Gabriel. What's the use of the glass? What's the use of this? Hold that one, feel that one, and relax lang. Relax lang. So what's the use of the glass? Unsa may work aning glass for you?
Sa McDo.
Okay, that's glass from McDo. And then what else pa?
Ang glass.
Describe the glass. Unsa pa man gid siya? Unsay use sa glass? What's the use of the glass? Excuse me, Kuya Gab. Kuya Gab. What's the use of the glass?
Water.
Oh. Put?
Ay, no naman.
Oh, you can put water
Anak,
here.
uy,
Again, be.
Pag
Put
dili,
water. Unsa pa?
kapit naman.
Just relax. I'm just asking.
Sunday naman na.
We're not studying. We're just learning.
Ay, dili
Basic
learning.
lang.
Basic, ay, dili basic.
Basic knowledge lang sa house.
Paguman.
So no. You should know. Again. Excuse me, Gab.
Ay, no.
No. Just
Ay,
relax.
tomorrow.
You'll just stay sa chair ni mo
Today.
unless dili ka mag-relax.
Today.
You can stay sa
Today,
chair
Ama.
unless dili ka mag-relax. Just relax.
Hapit na.
Hapit na tama. Almost done.
Tomorrow.
No, tomorrow, today. Oh, relax lang, relax.
Today pa sa evening.
Relax lang. Relax lang.
Hapit na today.
I'm just asking again, Gab. Excuse me, Gab. Mommy's happy. Oh?
Mami, sabi.
Dili sad si Mommy. Dili mad. How about you? Are you okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
No. I'm asking you. Are you okay? What's your feelings? Imong feelings. Are you okay?
Okay.
No. I'm asking. Do not copy, Mommy.
Okay.
No. Unsa man imong feeling karon? Happy ka? Sad? Mad? Unsa man ka?
Ay, tomorrow na.
Hurt ba ka?
Ay, ito pa ka.
Unsa man ka? Just tell Mommy, unsa imong feelings? What's your feelings? What's your feelings? Hurt ka?
Wait ka, dili ka.
No. I'm asking. Hurt, happy, sad, mad? Unsa man ka karon?
Sad.
Sad ka?
No na mag. Study.
You're sad because
No.
you don't want, I don't want, ikaw be?
Learn.
You don't want to learn. That's why you're sad.
Ay, di na learn. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
No, but you need to learn.
Tomorrow?
Gab.
Sa morning? Sa morning?
No, it's not tomorrow. It's now.
Now, basing sa now.
Because you're ano na.
Now na.
You're
sa,
big na.
Now na sa morning.
Oh, now, morning. So again, I will ask
Kapit
you
na.
again. I will ask you
Wala.
again. Excuse me. I will ask you again. What's the purpose of the glass?
Glass.
Oh, what's the purpose?
Fork.
This one is?
Date.
Oh, and this one, what's the use of glass? I'm just asking. Uy,
Glass.
we're not learning. We're not studying. Mommy's just asking.
Dili.
So you know the function of the glass?
Glass.
Oh, what's the function of this one?
Kini.
Unsa may maka-help sa imo? Why there's a glass? Unsa may ibutang sa glass? So just explain, Mommy. Unsay nakita nimo sa glass? So explain. Unsay mo nakita sa glass? Excuse me, unsay mo nakita sa glass? Beta, look at the glass. Unsa may mo nakita? Glass is unsa man? Unsa man nakita nimo sa glass? Oh, look at the glass.
The glass.
Oh, unsa man ang glass? Explain kay Mommy, what's the glass?
The glass.
Oh, glass man ni siya nga. Unsay mo nakita?
Makdo.
Uy, McDo na glass.
Ay.
And then what else?
Hapit na.
No. What else, Gab?
Food.
No. Dili
Next
sa ka.
day.
No. Mag-focus ta sa glass. Unsa man ang use sa glass? Oh, McDo man ni siya design. Ano ni mo, Mommy? The design of the glass has
Ay, dili
McDo
daw.
logo.
Ay, dili daw.
No. Just
Ka mag-study.
we're not studying. We're not learning. Mommy's just asking.
Ay, human.
Oh, so what's the use of the glass? Answer mo na, Mommy.
Agusan.
No. Don't change the topic.
Ay.
I'm asking, what's the function of the glass? Unsa may function sa glass?
Water sa glass.
Na put.
Manan to.
Unsa man iput
Ay.
ang water or no? Unsa may function ani iput ang water inside or outside iput ang water?
Glass of water.
Asa man unsa man? Unsa man ang glass iput water?
Water.
Sige na, explain. No. unsa may mong pagka-understand sa glass? Unsa may naa sa
Water.
glass? Excuse me. Kuya Gab. Unsa may work sa glass? Sige na, explain kay Mami. O explain kay Mami. Unsa may kuan nimo? Unsa may explain nimo sa glass?
Diri. Human na.
Okay, explain si Mami
Kapit
first.
na.
Explain si Mami.
Saturday.
Mag-focus lagi ka.
Healthy sa.
Oh, quiet
Healthy
sa
sa.
Quiet, si Mami mag-explain.
Hapit na. Hapit na mag.
Kapit na, anak, kapit na. Then after that one, when you answer that one, I will give you McDo.